Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I have here a foot massager that we're going to do a little review on. What all the different settings are. It actually has heat, but how hot does it really get? Some specs, so from a size standpoint, where it might be able to be stored, and all the good stuff. So first, let's talk about the size of this. It is roughly about 13 inches wide, and it's about 15 inches deep. And then the height on it, the max height is about seven and a half inches kind of vertically. So that can kind of give you an idea of like, can this slide under something from a storage standpoint? It does come with a wired adapter for power that's roughly about 6 feet long. Very simple and easy to use, which is nice because it has a power button. Once it is on, it can either be in the knead, air, or vibration mode. Each mode will allow you to adjust low, medium, high, and low, medium, high. So you got a couple different options going on inside this with each different setting. And then you also have a heat option, which has low, and then it has high. The high temperature option will get as warm as 131 degrees inside. Very, very nice and cozy for the old feet. A nice convenient feature is that we'll call them the little socks, the little sections that the actual feet go in will zip off and come out so they can be washed, especially if feet are in there for a very long time and you want to keep it nice and fresh. The bottom has a little Velcro area on it, and that can be like locked back in once you tuck it in. The part that your foot goes in, it's almost like a silky type little stretchy material, very comfortable, very soft on the feet if putting your feet in here barefooted, which is nice. To put the little sock area after being washed, it just clips in just like a regular zipper, and then you just zip it all the way around. Definitely personal preference if wanting to put the feet in there with or without a sock. From a size standpoint, the inside is quite large. I mean, in excess of a size 12, 13, plenty of room in there, but also the way the padding and all the massaging in there works, even much smaller feet can use this with no problemo. The massaging, it can be adjusted, so if you want something very light, it's definitely can be done, or if you're looking for something really kind of aggressive, you can definitely max this thing out and go to town. And you feel it all the way into the heel portion, all the way up to the toes. I mean, the bottom has these, like, it's kind of hard to describe. The bottom has, almost feels like rollers that are kind of massaging the bottom of the feet. And then there's compression on the top. It's kind of forcing, depending on the level of pressure, you're forcing your feet down into that to really massage it. The warming sensation from the heat, you feel that all around the feet. I mean, all the way around. You feel that is very nice from a warming sensation. It's like it has an air compressor or something in there that's kind of building up pressure, and it will like put pressure on and then let pressure off and put pressure on and put pressure off. And that all can be adjusted with the kneading here. So if we took the kneading part off, then it just doesn't do that. We can take the air off, and then we can just go straight into this vibration. So all three of these can be used at the exact same time. All the three features can be used at the exact same time, including the heat. And if just wanting to have the feet inside and using the heat feature, that option as well. So don't even need to have any of the kneading, the pressure, which is air, or vibration. That doesn't even need to be on. If you just want to have sort of a warming sensation on the feet, that can definitely be done just with the heat. The air feature is primarily, it's almost like it's squishing. It's squishing the feet depending on the pressure needed. Pressure, 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 pressure. I mean, it really grabs your feet all the way around, all the way back into the heels, all the way down to the toes. And then it holds that pressure. And then it will automatically release the pressure and cycle that over again. And the pressure is so good that even when you pick it up, I mean, it is, your feet are in there. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Give an honest review. Hopefully that came across in this video, and we'll talk to you soon.